So we start off today's video with someone who has super long hair. The stylist confirms how short she wants to go. Wow, gorgeous mid-length haircuts. Oh, I love the money piece highlights. Very soft, subtle face framing color. This looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be taking a look at some more modern chic haircut ideas. So here we have this stylist doing a bob style. So this one features more of like a long bob haircut. Beautiful, nice, simple, and chic haircut. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, it looks like we have another bob haircut in the works. I love her hair color, so pretty. She has so much fullness within the cut, and he did end up doing more of like a pixie bob style. Beautifully done. Next up, we have another layered bob haircut. This is a great style to try out if you're looking to add some volume to your hair. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. And she ends up getting a beautiful bob. Followed by another long to bob transformation. And then we have another chic angled bob style. I love the dramatic angle on this. So pretty. Followed by someone who has mid-length hair. And she decides to switch things up with this playful bob. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.